Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you two quick ways to use AutoSum in Excel. First, shortcut method. First, select the cell where you want the total to appear. Then simply press Alt is equal on your keyboard. Excel will automatically select the range of numbers above or to the left of the selected cell. Just hit enter. Now your total is calculated instantly. And the second method is manual method. Select the cell where you need the sum. Go to the Home tab in the ribbon at the top. Next, navigate to the Editing group. And click on the AutoSum icon. Excel will suggest a range to sum up. If everything looks good, press enter to finalize it. And that's it.